From petals that mimic animals to blossoms that smell of death, the natural world has produced flowers so extraordinary they scarcely seem real. These are the 15 most beautiful and strange flowers on Earth. Number 15. The blue Himalayan poppy. High in the mountains, above 3,000 meters, this ethereal blue bloom survives freezing temperatures by producing natural antifreeze crystals within its cells. In Tibetan culture, it is revered as a symbol of purity and enlightenment, a sacred jewel among the rocks. Number 14. The Hoya chameleon, or wax flower. Its thick, waxy petals appear almost artificial, but they harbor a remarkable trick. They shift color from pink to white to violet, depending on the light. This isn't mere decoration. Each shade attracts a different pollinator. Number 13. The Monkey Orchid. Deep in the cloud forests of the Andes, this peculiar orchid has petals arranged to look uncannily like a monkey's face. And if that weren't charming enough, it carries the sweet fragrance of ripe oranges. Number 12. The Saffron Crocus. Known as vegetable gold, this flower is entirely sterile and cannot reproduce on its own. It depends wholly on human hands. It takes a staggering 150,000 blossoms to yield just 1 kilogram of saffron, making it the most labor-intensive spice on the planet. Number 11. The Middlemist Red. Once common in Chinese gardens, it is now one of the rarest flowers in existence. Only 2 known specimens survive, one in a greenhouse in England and one in New Zealand. An entire species clinging to life in just 2 pots. Number 10. The Parrot's Beak. Native to the Canary Islands, this vivid, curved flower co-evolved with a specific bird that served as its sole pollinator. When that bird's population declined, the parrot's beak nearly followed it into extinction, a sobering reminder of how fragile these partnerships can be. Number 9. The Kadupul Flower. Called the Queen of the Night, it blooms only after dark, opening its delicate white petals for roughly 6 hours before withering at dawn. Because it cannot survive being picked, it is considered literally priceless. No sum of money can buy one. Number 8. The Bee Orchid. This flower is a master of deception. Its petals mimic both the appearance and the pheromones of a female bee, luring unsuspecting males into landing and unwittingly carrying away its pollen. It is nature's confidence trick, perfected over millennia. Number 7. The Bird of Paradise. With its vivid orange and blue plumage-like petals, this flower truly resembles a tropical bird in flight. Its rigid petals act as a catapult. When a nectar-drinking bird lands, the petals spring open, dusting the visitor with pollen. Number 6. Kokia Cookei. This Hawaiian flower was once declared extinct in the wild, its future seemingly sealed. Then, in 1970, a single living branch was discovered and carefully grafted onto a related species, bringing an entire lineage back from the brink. Number 5. The Chocolate Cosmos. Native to Mexico, this deep, velvety red bloom carries the unmistakable aroma of dark cocoa. It is extinct in the wild, and every living plant today is a clone, descended from a single specimen collected in 1886. Number 4. The Black Bat Flower. Found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, its dark, wing-shaped petals and long, trailing whiskers give it the appearance of a bat in flight. This sinister beauty thrives in shadow, attracting insects that prefer dim, somber environments. Number 3. The Jade Vine. Hanging from the canopy of Philippine forests, its luminous turquoise claws seem almost to glow. And indeed they do. At night, the vine emits a subtle neon luminescence that guides fruit bats straight to its nectar. Number 2. The Ghost Orchid. This phantom of the swamp possesses no leaves and no visible stem. It performs photosynthesis entirely through its roots, depends on a specific fungus to germinate, and relies on a single species of moth to pollinate it. It is, in every sense, a botanical ghost. And at number 1, the corpse flower, Amorphophallus titanum. Towering over 3 meters in height, it unleashes the overwhelming stench of rotting flesh to summon carrion beetles and flies. It blooms for just 24 to 48 hours, and then only once every several years, making each rare opening a global event. From frozen mountain slopes to steaming tropical jungles, these 15 flowers remind us that nature's imagination far exceeds our own. Thank you for watching.